The National Herald case has taken a sharp turn. The Economic Offences Wing of Delhi Police has now filed a fresh FIR against top Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, as well as Sam Pitroda, accusing them of criminal conspiracy. Now, according to investigators, the conspiracy centers around the alleged fraudulent takeover of Associated Journalists Limited, that's AJL, the company that owns the National Herald newspaper. Dotex, seen as a Kolkata-based shell firm, allegedly routed 1 crore rupees to Young Indian, enabling it to take over AJL's 2,000 crore rupees worth of assets only for 50 lakh rupees that was paid to the Congress. The Congress has dismissed the FIR as politically driven, alleging repeated harassment of its leadership. The BJP has meanwhile launched a sharp attack, stating that this scam has exposed quote-unquote deep-rooted corruption in the Congress.
कांग्रेस पार्टी का जन्मी अत्याचार, अन्याय और देश की आजादी की लड़ाई के संघर्ष के लिए हुआ था। आजादी के पहले यही नेशनल हेराल्ड अखबार, यही गांधी परिवार अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ लड़ता था, उनके निशाने पे था। और आज लगभग वैसे ही हालात में मौजूदा सरकार जैसे अंग्रेज हमारे लोकतांत्रिक अधिकारों को छीनकर वोट का अधिकार नहीं दिया था, उसी तरह काम कर रही है। तो ये एक उत्पीड़न, राजनीतिक विद्वेष से का कदम है और हम इसकी निंदा करते हैं।
सेशन से पहले की बात क्या, ये तो लंबे समय से चल रहा है।
नया
नहीं, ये तो मैटर तो कोर्ट में है, मैटर सब जुडिस है। कोर्ट जो हम लोग जिस देश में रहते हैं, संविधान की अगर बात करते हैं, आज संविधान का किताब लेके घूमते हैं, तो हम लोग कोर्ट को मानते हैं ना कि कोर्ट में जो जुडिशियल प्रोसेस है उसमें जो फैसला आएगा सबको मान्य है। तो
राजनीतिक साजिश के तहत
तो भाई कोर्ट है ना, अगर राजनीतिक साजिश भी है, अगर लगता है आपको, तो कोर्ट में आपका अपना पक्ष रखिए, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।
Just before the winter session of Parliament today, FIR has been registered against Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi in the National Herald case. Delhi Police EOW wing has registered the FIR.
See, misuse of the central agencies are rampant. They don't want the institution of opposition. The parliamentary democracy will become redundant if the institution of opposition is not respected. Why the parliamentary proceedings?
90 करोड़ रुपए का लोन बाद में माफ कर दिया गया, तो 50 लाख रुपए में पूरे एसोसिएट जर्नल के शेयर जो हैं वो इस नई कंपनी के पास आ गए, जिसमें सोनिया जी और राहुल गांधी के 76% शेयर थे, मेजॉरिटी शेयर, और बाकी माइनर कुछ थे स्वर्गीय ऑस्कर फर्नांडिस वगैरह के पास। इसका फायदा क्या हुआ उनको, लाभ क्या हुआ कि नेशनल हेराल्ड की जितनी बड़ी बड़ी संपत्तियां हैं जो सरकार के द्वारा जमीन पर बनाई गई हैं, जहां से सैकड़ों करोड़ किराया मिलता है, दिल्ली में बहादुर शाह जफर मार्ग पर, मुंबई में, लखनऊ में, भोपाल में, चंडीगढ़ में, पटना में, ये सभी जमीनें कांग्रेस सरकार ने दी थी, सरकारी जमीन सस्ते भाव पर, उस पर बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग बन गई। लेकिन ये जो नई कंपनी लिया जिसमें सोनिया जी और राहुल गांधी का 76% था, वो सारी संपत्ति के भी मालिक बन बैठे।
INC means I need corruption. It means I need chori. And this is a case of Zameen chori by the Congress and its first family. The first family of Congress is the most corrupt family. It does bhashtachar. It thinks it is its adhikar. When there is any kind of action, they start playing victimhood card and thinking that it is atyachar. No court case has stalled the proceedings of National Herald till now. And Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi have got no relief from any court of law. In fact, the case started by a court order in 2012-13. It has not been started by any government. But despite that, they will play the victimhood card.
My colleague Aishwarya joins us with more details. Aishwarya, now if you could take us through what the latest is in the investigation into the case. Of course, there is politics that has propped up, with the Congress saying that and the opposition parties also saying that the central agencies are being misused.
Well, certainly, and the Congress party also questioning the timing of why this FIR came into public domain just on Sunday, ahead of a day when winter session is starting, when the FIR was already registered on October 3rd. Certainly, the timing were questioned. It was again the Congress party raising the issue of political vendetta against the opposition, the witch hunt that the government runs, and the misuse of agencies as well. It is 6 months back, remember, when the charge sheet was filed by the Enforcement Directorate, there were the names of Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Suman Dubey, Sam Pitroda, and the other three companies that were named as an accused. And it was, according to the Enforcement Directorate, the clear case of corruption, which pegged up to rupees 903 crore rupees, with several properties being seized earlier by the Enforcement Directorate in Jaipur, Lucknow, Mumbai, and other cities of the country. It is, with a fraudulent way, the shares were transferred from the National Herald to the Associated General, and there were a separate company which was a mouthpiece, Young India, that had maximum shares of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. So clearly that was a case of corruption that was that evolved. But Bharatiya Janata Party here clearly hitting out at the Congress, stating that when the top Gandhis are involved, this is how the party functions. This is a party which is deep down clearly involved in the corruption, and that's how they ran the government.